Hey, Emma. Did you move here? I haven't seen you around.
Hi, Neo. No, I didn't move.
Oh? Then what happened?
I think I took the wrong street.
Wrong street?
Yes, I wanted to come to the library, but I ended up here.
That happens. Which street did you take?
I walked on Elm Street, but I needed Main Street.
Ah, yes. Easy mistake. Main Street and Elm Street look similar.
I was so confused.
Did you ask anyone for help?
No, I was too shy.
That's okay. You can learn how to ask directions. I can help you.
Really? You will help me?
Yes, it's easy. We can practice.
I hope I don't get lost again.
Don't worry. I will be with you.
Thank you, Neo. You always help me.
Of course, friends help each other.
I feel better now.
Good. Now we can start. Next time you want to go somewhere, you will know what to say.
I will try my best.
That's the spirit. Brave Emma.
Brave Emma?
Yes, brave Emma who asks for directions in English.
Okay, I like that.
Let's go sit in the park. I will teach you some phrases and we can practice with real streets.
Sounds fun.
Great. Follow me. We start learning and laughing. Okay, Emma. Now we sit here and practice asking for directions.
Okay, Neo, I am ready.
First, let's imagine you are on the street and you don't know where to go.
Yes, I always feel nervous when I am lost.
That's normal. Everyone feels nervous. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. Very polite.
Haha, polite Emma.
Yes, polite Emma asks for help.
And then, what do I say?
You can ask, "Where is Main Street?"
Where is Main Street?
Very good. And if they ask, "Do you want to go by foot or by car?"
By foot, please.
Perfect. Now, let's try a real example. Imagine you are in San Francisco.
Ooh, I like San Francisco.
Yes, you want to go to the library. You are on Market Street. You can ask, "Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to the library on 100 Larkin Street?"
Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to the library on 100 Larkin Street?
Excellent. Very clear.
Wow, 100 Larkin Street, that is a real street?
Yes, I have been there many times. The library is big and nice.
I want to see it one day.
I remember, first time I went there, I walked the wrong block 3 times.
Really?
Yes, I asked a friendly man. He laughed, and then he showed me the way.
That is funny.
Yes, and that is normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Okay, now let's practice giving directions.
Giving directions?
Yes, sometimes someone asks you, "Excuse me, how do I get to Main Street?"
Oh, I need to tell them.
Correct. You can say, "Go straight on Market Street, turn left on 5th Street, the library is on the right."
Go straight on Market Street, turn left on 5th Street, the library is on the right.
Perfect. Very clear.
Neo, can I try a street from my neighborhood?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I want to go to a coffee shop on Broadway.
Good. You can ask, "Excuse me, how do I get to the coffee shop on 200 Broadway?"
Excuse me, how do I get to the coffee shop on 200 Broadway?
Excellent. And if they ask, "Do you want to walk or take a bus?"
I want to walk, please.
Perfect. Very polite.
I remember last summer in Los Angeles.
I asked someone for directions to Venice Beach.
Venice Beach? I want to go there.
Yes, I said, "Excuse me, how do I get to Venice Beach?" The man said, "Go straight on Main Street, then turn right on Ocean Avenue. Enjoy the beach."
That is very clear.
Yes, very easy. But I was nervous and I said, "The nice beach?"
You mispronounced it?
Yes, he laughed and then he repeated the words slowly.
That is funny.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. They help you learn.
Neo, can I tell you my experience?
Yes, Emma, tell me.
One time, I needed to go to a bookstore in San Diego. I was on 3rd Avenue. I didn't know the street.
Oh no.
Yes, I asked a woman. I said, "Excuse me, how I go bookstore?"
Very cute mistake.
She laughed, and then she said, "You can say, how do I get to the bookstore?"
Perfect. And that is learning. Mistakes are okay.
Yes, I learned and laughed too.
Good. Now we try some more examples. Imagine you want to go to a restaurant on Main Street in Santa Monica.
Oh, Santa Monica, I love it there.
You can say, "Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the restaurant on 150 Main Street?"
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the restaurant on 150 Main Street?
Excellent. And then go straight on Main Street, turn left on Ocean Avenue. The restaurant is on the right.
Go straight on Main Street, turn left on Ocean Avenue. The restaurant is on the right.
Perfect.
Neo, you always remember streets and directions?
Not always, but I remember funny stories.
Tell me one.
Okay, last winter, I wanted to go to a museum in Sacramento. I walked the wrong block 3 times.
Again?
Yes, then I asked a taxi driver. He laughed and said, "Follow me."
Neo always finds help.
Yes, and that is okay. Ask politely. People are friendly. One more tip. If you are not sure, you can say, "I am sorry, I don't understand. Can you say it slowly, please?"
I am sorry, I don't understand. Can you say it slowly, please?
Perfect. Very polite.
Okay, I think I am ready to try in real streets now.
Yes, practice is important. But remember, mistakes are normal and fun.
Yes, mistakes are fun.
Let's practice one more. I will ask you, "Excuse me, how do I get to the Golden Gate Park?"
Go straight on Fulton Street, turn right on Stanyan Street. The Golden Gate Park is on the left.
Perfect. Very clear and polite.
Haha, I did it. Neo, I like learning this way.
Yes, we laugh, we practice, it is fun.
I will try in real streets now. Thank you, Neo. I learned so much today.
You did it yourself. I just guided you.
I like learning this way. Fun and human.
Yes, English is better when you enjoy.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the library.
The public library?
Yes, the library on Larkin Street.
Okay. You were very close.
Oh, really?
Yes. Go straight on Elm Street,
Go straight on Elm Street, okay.
then turn left on Main Street.
Turn left on Main Street.
The library is next to the coffee shop.
Next to the coffee shop. Got it.
It's a big white building.
A big white building. That helps.
You can't miss it.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck.
Hi, friends. I am Emma. Today, we learned how to ask for directions in English. We practiced polite phrases. We practiced with Neo in the park. We learned real streets in California. Remember, it is okay to make mistakes. Polite words are very important. Say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Then ask, "Where is?" And if you don't understand, say, "Can you say it slowly, please?" I want to ask you a question. Imagine you are in a new city. You are lost. What is the first thing you say in English? Write your answer in the comments. I want to read your sentences. If you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, English Coffee Time. Click the bell to see more videos. I make videos to help you speak English with confidence. Following my channel will help you practice English every day, learn new phrases, and have fun while learning. I hope you try these phrases today. Go out and ask for directions and speak politely. You can do it. And remember, learning English is easier when it is fun. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye, friends.